Alam nyo ba na merong lugar sa Disneyland kung saan makakainom ka ng beers? Sabi nila, Disneyland is the happiest place on earth. Siguro para sa mga bata. Pero para sa mga trentahin na tulad mo, totoo ba to? If you're going to Disney to see Mickey Mouse, you won't be disappointed. But after the 6th or 7th ride, and after 10,000 steps, you start to wonder. You start to crave. Merong pulutan, like waffles, chicken, burgers, pero ang totoong hinahanap mo, isang baso ng malamig na beer. So ang tanong, may beer ba dito? Actually, dito sa park, wala. But, as I said kanina, there's a place here inside the Disney Resort kung saan merong beers and other alcoholic drinks. This is the Disney Hollywood Hotel. This is where you should check in if you want to experience the Disney kind of drunk. Napapansin nyo ba kung ano yung nasa likod ko? It's the Gauntlet of Thanos. Because nandito ako ngayon sa Disney Hotel. This is Hollywood Disney Hotel in Hong Kong. And they have craft beers here. These beers, how many percent?
Which one you want to know?
Dragon's Back Pale Ale.
Chicken breast. Chicken bread is 5.3.
5.3%.
Yes.
Right. Alright, I'll have that.
You want? Sure.
Can I be the one to pour it?
Yeah.
Meron sila ditong 5 types of craft beers. There's the Peak Pilsner, there's Mango Lassi, there's Pacific Ale, and then there's this parang generic name lang na Hong Kong beer. And then this one, ito yung pinili ko kasi siya yung pinaka-interesting yung pangalan. It's called Dragon's Back Pale Ale. The name of the brewer is Hong Kong Beer Company. Dry hops provide a bright citrus flavor and aroma with luscious tropical fruit notes. So it's your typical pale ale. But let's see kung anong lasa ng craft beer dito sa Hong Kong. Okay lang. Masarap naman, lasang pale ale. But it's really just the aroma that's different. Kasi yung taste mismo at saka yung flavors, it's nothing fancy. It's not very unusual. Yun lang, ang mahal ng beer dito. This one bottle of 330 ml is 80 Hong Kong dollars. So that's roughly about 600 pesos. It's too expensive. Maybe because I'm in a 5-star hotel. Yung bartender Pilipina. Tanungin natin siya. Tsikahin natin. Ate, may San Miguel kayo?
Opo.
Meron?
Pilsen.
Talaga?
Yung Pilsen ha, hindi po yung light.
Oo nga.
Opo, okay lang.
Kasi wala sa menu. Akala ko wala.
Kasi
Meron.
dati, it's yung Guinness, and then gusto po yung Guinness. I-exchange na lang yung San Miguel.
But that's also $80. $80.
$80
Okay, okay. Thank you. Sabi ni ate bartender na Pinoy, meron daw silang San Miguel Pale Pilsen. I don't think they market it here, dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Because yun na nga, wala sa menu. It's also $80. 80 Hong Kong dollars. So it's the same price as itong mga craft beers na iniinom ko ngayon. $80 is 600 pesos for a bottle of San Miguel Pale Pilsen. I'd rather taste something a bit different or something na hindi ko matitikman sa Pilipinas. Mango Lassi. And this is another one. It's Lassi. It's Mango IPA. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng IPA na ganito katamis. It doesn't taste like IPA. Usually yung IPA, yung bitterness, makapal. At saka yung flavors itself is so hoppy. But this one is refreshing to drink. It's milkshake IPA pala. Yung bill namin is 184 Hong Kong dollars or 1,387 pesos. Alis na tayo dito bago pa mas snap ni Thanos yung budget natin. Bye ate, thank you. By the way, the name of the bar is called The Archivist. And just outside this place, there's a mini museum kung saan makikita mo yung mga original artworks ng Marvel superheroes. And meron din dito ng mga classic Disney characters, ng mga original artworks, sketches, paintings, and sculptures. It's fascinating to see the creative process behind the movies we watched as kids. Nabitin ako nakadalawang, actually not even two. It's just 1 1/4 bottle of beer. So bitin. But I have no choice kasi wala na ibang may bibilihan dito or wala na ibang mapupuntahan para uminom. And we have no other place to drink but that area. And I didn't wanna keep drinking there kasi it's so expensive.